Ladies Handbags here, and welcome. Today, guys, I am super excited because I am going to be sharing with you guys one of my birthday bags that I did pick up. And I originally saw this particular bag on Jazz's channel over at The Completed Look. I also saw this bag on Shonda over at the House of Dazzle, and then I also saw my girl Michelle over at Determined to Be do an unboxing on this gorgeous bag, and they did pick this bag up from Amazon. So I gotta give a shout out to all these ladies for sharing their beautiful bag and unboxing. And I'm like, let me try out this lookalike version on Amazon first before I drop those coins on the Chelsea 36 to add to my collection, to see if this is even a bag that I want in my collection. And so I figured if I can get the lookalike from Amazon and try it out, then that will definitely help me to make my decision. So if you guys enjoy watching handbag unboxings, bag reveals, accessories, and a little bit of fashion, please make sure to go ahead and click that subscribe button. But let's go ahead and get into this unboxing. Now, the Chelsea from Coach does come in the 30 as well as in the 36. And I do want it in the 36. Now, I'm not going to lie, I was tempted to pick up the 36 for my birthday. But when I saw these ladies share this bag, I was like, let me grab this one first, just in case, y'all. Because y'all know, we'll see a bag and we'll see, each other unbox bags. And we're like, oh, I want that bag. I'm going to add that bag to cart. And we get it. And then we realize that we don't like the bag. And I understand that for most of us, we definitely need to purchase the bag, or at least go see it in person to determine whether or not we want the bag in our collection. So with that being said, we're going to see, y'all. This is how it came packaged. Alright, and there is another box inside. Alright. And so this is how it came packaged in the box. And it says this is the exclusive new high-end crossbody bag with chain strap and underarm design in the color brown. All right, so let's get into this. But this bag I did pick up, I think it was around like either $49 or $55. And they did have a few colors available as well. So this is how it comes inside of the box. All right. And I do like that they took care to package this as well. Alright, so they have the cardboard in the front. They have a cardboard in the back. And it does come in a little dust bag. Okay. Ooh, this leather feels good, y'all. Or I should say this faux leather. It feels so good. It's so soft. Oh, yeah. She is gorgeous, y'all. Alright, so that is what it looks like up close. Does have the D-ring on the side as well. Let's open this up and see what we're working with. So in the inside, they do give you a cherry charm. Okay, not that I need another cherry charm because I already have two, especially in the color red. But they do give you a cherry charm, and that is what it looks like. And it's to hang on the side of the bag. Okay, so that is what the cherry charm looks like on the side. That's cute. But y'all, let's get into this bag. Oh, All right, so that is what the shoulder strap looks like on the bag. And then the lining in the interior. So it kind of has like a fabric lining in the same color as the bag. You do get a back zipper compartment as well. Now the flap on the inside of the flap of this bag, guys, it does have this, it feels almost like a faux suede like feeling to it, but the lining on the flap is definitely different than the lining that is in the interior of the bag. This is more like a cotton, maybe polyester like lining, but the lining that's under the flap is definitely different. Now I'm pretty sure this is not real suede, but it does give the feel of it as well. So I definitely wanted to share that with you guys as well. And then on the front of the bag, you don't have any slip pockets here. Now this is a nice large opening, guys, and I think that was one of my concerns, was like, how big is this bag going to be in the inside, and am I going to be able to fit all of my essentials in here? But I can definitely tell I am going to be able to fit all of my essentials in here. I am going to throw the measurements for this bag up on the screen, and I will do kind of like a, I guess, a side by side on the screen as well too, showing the Coach Chelsea 30 compared to this bag as well with the measurements, so that you guys can get a feel for it as well too. This bag is so, look at that, guys, it's so puddly. Oh, I love it. It is so gorgeous. So it does have a kind of like a hook closure, I guess, here, and you just press the button. If I can bring it up closer, you see the button down at the bottom. So you press the button up and it unlatches the bag. So this bag is really, really pretty, y'all. I see why you ladies grab this bag, because it is gorgeous. I may end up having to get another color in this bag as well too. But I will say that I still want the 36 in the Coach Chelsea. So I may end up still picking up the Chelsea 36 from Coach. But this is a great alternative if you didn't want to spend almost $500 on the Chelsea. This would be a great alternative. Like I said, the price was phenomenal on this bag. It was like $55, and it comes in a few different colors. It doesn't have a smell to it whatsoever. The packaging was really great on this one, and it feels so soft, y'all. Like, I really love the way that this bag feels, and I see why Michelle raved about how this bag feels, because it definitely feels really good and soft, and it is nice and puddly. This is just what she looks like on my shoulder. So yes, y'all, I love her. I definitely cannot wait to get into this beautiful bag, y'all. Alright guys, so before I close out the video, I wanted to pull some of my SLGs to see how well they compare with the bag, to see if I need to pick up any SLGs for this beautiful bag. Now, I don't think I will, but y'all let me know what y'all thoughts are down in the comments. So the first ones that I pulled out is from the Coach. This is the old signature print, so it is the brown black signature print. And I think that looks really good with the bag, y'all. Let me know your thoughts down below. I think that that signature print looks good with this shade of brown. I'll bring it up a little bit closer. So that's almost spot on, y'all. The bag is just like maybe a shade lighter than the Coach signature print, but I'm really loving that, y'all. I think this would be a good setup for this bag. I did grab the tan brown signature print as well too, and as you guys can see, the Coach tan brown signature is lighter than the bag, but I still think that that looks really well with this bag as well too. I did grab my Dooney and Burke mustard flat wallet, and I love this mustard color with this nice chocolate brown color. That is really pretty, y'all. I love how this mustard pops off of that brown. I think that is absolutely gorgeous. So that would be another really good setup for the bag. Now, the next one that I did pick up is another Coach set, and it is from the newspaper print. And I think that really looks good with the bag, y'all. Let me know your thoughts. I think this newspaper print with this cream and black, it looks really good against this dark chocolate brown. That's absolutely gorgeous. So that's another setup I can do with this bag. Last setup is this cobalt blue color. Now I do have my Jessica Simpson wallet, and that's in that snake skin. And I also have my Anne Klein crossbody that I use as a catch-all in my bag. I think this color looks really good against that dark chocolate as well. That's really pretty, y'all. So I definitely have more than enough SLGs that I can pair with this beautiful bag, that I don't have to pick anything up to match this bag. So I'm really glad about that, guys. So let me know it down in the comments if you guys pick this beautiful bag up off Amazon. I will make sure to leave it linked down below. Or if you have the Coach Chelsea or Chelsea 30 or 36 in your collection, let me know your thoughts on the bag down below. I think your girl still wants the 36 in her collection for sure. So if I do pick that bag up, you guys know I will definitely share it with you guys. But I will definitely be picking up another one of these off of Amazon in a different color as well too. So as soon as that bag arrives, I will be sharing it with you guys as well. And if you stuck with your girl this far, please make sure to go ahead and drop me some green hearts down below, as well as like this video. And if you keep dropping by and tuning in, but for some reason you have not yet clicked that subscribe button, please go ahead and click the subscribe button. It's absolutely free to you guys. Make sure to hype this video as well too. And don't forget to click that bell. That way you guys are always notified every time I upload new content. And until the next time, guys, please make sure to stay focused and determined on achieving your goals for the day. And I will see you lovelies in my next video. Bye.